I am at the Musea de Academia, or the Academy Museum, essentially. Here's Michelangelo's David. It is mammoth. I've been here 20 years ago, but you can see how tall this man is in front of me. He's probably 6 feet, and you can see just how tall he is. He was moved here from the Plaza de Signorelli, the main square, in 1873, where he was exposed to the elements for hundreds of years. So they decided to move him in here, and they knocked down this wall over here in the distance to get him in here. And I asked, like, why isn't he in the Uffizi, which is the large museum here in town? It's like, well, he's too big and tall to fit over there. So they essentially made the Accademia, this museum, his museum, which is smart financially because people will spend 20 euros essentially just to come and see him, because the major prizes of art are over at the Uffizi.